Good afternoon. It's Robert and Julia Miller with the J. Patel Group and Rethink Real Estate with another exciting real estate update.
Happy to be here.
Episode number 32. Okay, we got that figured out.
Yes, we did.
I'm so looking forward to next week.
Yes. Saturday, 11 o'clock.
Yep,
The car pulls up and we will be whisked away.
that's right. We will not be doing a real estate update next week, but we will be back again the following week.
Yep.
As always, we'll start with a joke. Do you have a joke for us?
I do.
Okay, you want me to go first, or
Sure.
do you have it right
No,
there?
go right ahead.
Okay. All right, we talk about lumber a lot, okay?
Every week.
Not saying lumber prices are getting out of hand, but I was thinking of building a birdhouse, but the bank turned down the loan.
That's a good one. I like that.
Yeah, that's about how it is. Here's a little lumber tidbit.
Okay.
This is a little jaw-dropping. The wood cost to build a 200 square foot deck. I think that's
Okay.
2,000 lumber
20 by
feet.
10. Yeah.
April of 2020, it cost $936.
Okay.
April of 2021, $3,696 for the
Wow.
same deck. Can you believe that?
That's insane.
That is
wow.
crazy, and we're going to talk more lumber as we get into the report. It's crazy. I was hoping, and they were originally reporting, we might see a little bit of leveling off and things getting back to normal when the mills opened up. That's not happening.
That's what they told us. They told us it was going to level out.
We'll keep watching it. But
all
anyway,
this.
your joke?
Well, when I was a kid, we didn't have to come in until the street lights came on.
I remember that.
But
I love those
sometimes
days.
our parents shot them out on purpose. Maybe the kids won't come home.
That's funny. Yeah. Yeah, things were a little looser back then. That's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this week in history. In 1994, the Channel Tunnel, also known as the
Channel?
yes, linking England and France underwater, opened May 6th.
That is an incredible engineering feat. Have you seen videos of this?
I think
thing?
I have. I just, yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah, pretty amazing. 1994, on May 2nd, former political prisoner Nelson Mandela is elected president of South Africa.
Yes.
That was a great day.
It was, yeah.
Okay, this one I remember. Wow, what a fiasco this was. 1985, New Coke is released May 8th, the 99th anniversary
New
of the
Coke.
original drink's creation.
Went downhill and imploded, huh?
That was bad. Pepsi was advertising blind taste test, and
Oh, yeah,
of course they would always win.
Doing them as kids and having fun. And
So Coke secretly in their own facility did the same testing, and unfortunately Pepsi won there too,
Ooh,
which
okay.
caused a knee-jerk reaction. And so they made a change, and they made New Coke. Like high fructose corn syrup, I think, was the biggest change to make it sweeter so it tasted like Pepsi. Well, every Coke lover hated it. They were extremely upset, and it was a major flop. And 79 days later, they went back to Coke Classic.
Coke Classic.
And they haven't changed since. They've added a million different flavors and stuff, but you can still get Coke
Cherry
Classic.
Coke, Vanilla Coke, Cherry Vanilla Coke.
Yeah, I remember that well. That was a marketing disaster. Okay, 1971, National Public Radio is broadcast for the first time on May 3rd.
Yay, NPR.
1970, 4 die May 4th when National Guardsmen opened fire on student protesters in Ohio. There was 8 injured and 4 killed.
You had to remind me what that was about, obviously.
Yeah,
but
Vietnam War
Vietnam.
protests.
Yeah.
1961, a 15-minute suborbital orbital flight, May 5th, makes Alan Shepard the first American in space.
Yay. Alan
Cool,
Shepard, yeah.
Yeah.
May 4th?
And 1937, the airship Hindenburg crashed and burned May 6th in Lakehurst, New Jersey.
Yes.
Killed 36.
Yeah.
And pretty much everybody has seen the video footage of that. And it was horrific.
Yeah.
And it looked like
You thought, man, that helium is going up.
there
and
was
all those
it
people
looked
in
like
there
so
are
many
going
more
up.
people died, but it was it was still 36, tragically 36 lives lost, but it
Yeah.
looked like it was hundreds when you watch that video.
Ugh.
It was, finally, in 1925, Tennessee teacher John Scopes is arrested May 5th for teaching Darwinian evolution.
And
Yeah.
so it began.
And so it began, yeah, that's right. Okay, one interesting bit of news, the eviction ban is vacated.
Eviction ban.
Yeah, there's been a moratorium on rental evictions due to a pandemic. A U.S. District Court judge ruled Wednesday that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's nationwide eviction moratorium is unlawful, striking down the ban and delivering relief to housing providers who haven't been able to collect rent from struggling tenants for more than a year.
Okay.
The eviction moratorium, it ended last July, but it's been extended twice.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Keep pushing it forward.
The question for the court is a narrow one, they said. Does the Public Health Service Act grant the CDC the legal authority to impose a nationwide
Ooh.
eviction moratorium?
Huh.
It said it does not.
Nah. Okay.
Georgia and Alabama State Realtors Association filed the lawsuit in defense of mom and pop property owners around the country struggling to pay
struggling,
bills
yeah.
without rental income.
Right.
NAR was instrumental in helping secure nearly $50 billion in rental assistance provided by Congress last year to help tenants pay their bills,
Pay their bills.
saying the ban was no longer needed. So that's basically why they're saying it needs to
Okay.
stop, because we're coming out of the pandemic and there's assistance available, and we don't need to have the moratorium and hurt property owners,
Yeah, I mean,
especially the mom and pops. Some of the bigger ones can
They have to pay their rent still. They still have.
taxes, upkeep.
Right, yeah, I mean taxes. They have to pay their taxes. They have to pay upkeep, HOA sometimes.
They're mortgaged.
You know.
They're in the same boat.
Mortgages,
you know, they've got
they
a
have
mortgage to pay on them if they're
keep paying
mortgaged.
those things.
yeah.
So
NAR, National Association of Realtors, as always, maintained that the best solution for all parties was rental assistance to cover the rent, taxes, and utility bills for tenants struggling during the pandemic.
right,
So
okay.
that was
you for
interesting.
that
We'll follow
special
that. There is an
report.
appeal, of course, so
Yeah.
we'll see how that appeal goes, and we'll update you if any new development comes out of that.
Okay.
So it was interesting. Love reading this. Saving spree. Real disposable income jumped 23% in March.
Wow, that's a big jump.
That's
first
a
of all,
lot of
and
money,
that's
man.
a lot of
23%. The
disposable
largest monthly increase since 1959.
income. Wow. Okay.
The savings rate has doubled to 27.6. That is awesome.
People are saving. That's good.
Yeah, so that disposable income is not just, they're saving it. That's awesome. A raft of economists expect 1 million jobs were added in April, continuing a strong hiring surge from March. With nearly 30% of Americans vaccinated against coronavirus, more businesses are reopening, air travel is
Yay.
picking up, and foot traffic in retail stores is increasing.
Okay, good.
Yeah, 30%. I thought the rate was closer to in the 40s,
See,
high 40s.
you said
It
that the
jumps
other
all
day, and I
over.
didn't think.
Maybe they're
Yeah,
counting
I know. I went
Only
to the retail store for the first
fully
time in
vaccinated.
a long time. It's been a long time since I went into Target because I'm ordering online, and I mean, just being a little
Yeah,
more careful
yeah.
about what you're buying and things like that. And yeah,
People still like to make their own selections, even though I think the delivery services and the pickup. I mean, it is efficient, and I think and
you
affordable.
have more and more shopping or parking spots at the stores that you go to now have this drive up and pick up kind of thing.
And you're in and out in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And busy families
Which is great.
can be on their way. So I think it's going to be around for a while. It's a positive that's come out of the pandemic. The Department of Commerce reported that the first quarter gross domestic product rose 6.4% versus 6.5% expected. Sounds to me like they basically nailed it. So, anyway.
Really close there.
Material world, here we go. Lumber prices are skyrocketing. Prices are already climbing a year ago before the pandemic hit, sending demand soaring and rolling the supply chain. The surge has added, we've been talking 16,000 per home.
Yeah.
How about this number? $35,872 to the price of an average new single family home.
Oh my goodness.
Yowzer.
Wow.
That's a lot of clams.
Almost $36,000.
Yeah. That is a lot of money.
That's a lot of money. I know.
The average. I mean, you're talking about it's quite a bit of money on the monthly payment that you're going to make when you raise it that much.
There's one new build listed for Northpointe and Vistancia by a builder. I won't say which one, but over the past 5 weeks, consistently, they've raised the price 0.5%.
Yeah.
Raising the price every week.
Well, there you
I'm
go.
like, whoa.
Demand
I get
and cost of lumber. That's amazing.
That's just incredible.
Yeah.
So.
Strongly supported by well-funded buyers benefiting from newfound mobility via remote work, the median home sale price increased 20% year over year. You know, we've been talking about that 20%, and it kind of fluctuates up in 18 and 21, and we're still just cruising right along at 20% for this year. And it will probably come out that way if it keeps going the way it is right now. So the median sale price is now $347,500.
Wow.
That's an all-time high. We say that every week. Purchased homes spent a median 20 days on the market, the shortest time since 2012.
2012.
So homes are getting snapped up very quickly.
You know what was going on in 2012? Banks were emptying their inventory.
Well, that's true.
Things had started increasing in value, and banks were getting rid of what they had.
Yeah, they were sitting with a lot of inventory.
They were sitting with a lot of inventory, so they started selling finally.
That's a good point. The Fed, the Fed Open Market Committee of the Federal Reserve kept the federal funds rate unchanged, 0.0 to 0.25 at its April 27, 28 meeting, while also keeping the pace of asset purchases unchanged. So they're going to continue to buy mortgage-backed securities, and they're going to keep the rate low.
Okay.
So that's good.
I get a little lost in some of that, the Federal and the Reserve. And
well, they charge banks money or interest to get the money that they rent. So if that stays low, then your mortgage rate.
Okay.
There's other factors, but that's kind of a key indicator. Okay, digital learning. Average mortgage processing times are getting shorter in 2021 as lenders continue to adopt digital tools to improve origination processes and serve home buyers.
Okay.
This was interesting. Average closing times fell from 58 days to 51 days between January and March. Now that's pretty
from 45 to 30 days.
Yeah, for us, rule of thumb when we write a purchase contract is 45 days, and we've been doing some at 30.
I've been doing it at 30. Yeah,
if the mortgage provider will agree to it.
Well, if I know that the buyer has done their due diligence, so to speak, or their homework first, and they've gotten all kinds of paperwork already to the lender's already started kind of putting stuff together.
Right, that's true.
And they're trying to get an approval. So we're already a week to 2 weeks ahead of the game.
Right.
So, and maybe that's what's speeding things up a little bit in addition to these changes that we're seeing the mortgagers do.
Yeah, they're getting
now.
better and better, more and more efficient, quicker. Yeah. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, lower income homeowners with mortgages backed by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, an FHA loan,
Right.
which has private mortgage insurance tied to it, usually
Yeah.
about $150 on average, can be a little more
Yeah.
per month that the mortgage holder has to pay in addition to the mortgage portion of it, and that's for life. It doesn't matter if you get up to 20% appreciation, it's still for life of the loan. So this is kind of interesting. Lower income homeowners with mortgage backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac may be eligible for a new refinance option from the FHA, Federal Housing Finance Agency, FHFA.
FAFA.
Yeah.
FAFA?
FAFA. Borrowers must have minimum credit scores of 620, earn at or below 80% of their area's median income, and have debt to income above 65%. This is from Forbes. So my question is, why are they doing that? Is it just giving folks that have an FHA mortgage an opportunity to get a lower rate? Or are they going to make some changes to that private mortgage insurance being lifetime? Or will they drop it if they have 20% equity?
Because that's how it used to be. It used to be that once you got that 20%, it was on your part. You needed to
you had to
go
do
and
it.
refinance.
You had to contact them and say, hey, I have 20% equity.
They didn't do it automatically, for sure.
Right, yeah.
But now we did see a reversal of that to where any new loans, right? I think it was new loans. Said it doesn't matter if you've got 80% equity in the home or the 20% equity in the home. It doesn't matter. You have to still pay the PMI if you have
For the life of the loan.
right. If you have a Fannie Mae loan, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac loan. So
that'll be interesting
that'll be
to
interesting
see
to watch that too,
what the
yeah.
motivation for them doing that is. So.
okay.
All right, I did something a little different on rates this week.
Okay.
I actually contacted one of our mortgage providers, Melissa Vasilev with Bay Equity.
Bay Equity, yep.
And I gave her a hypothetical of a credit score of 740.
Okay.
To see if it was different than these national average numbers that I've been using.
Okay.
An entice, they call it, is what you see when you see here's the national average. So that's what I've been reporting.
Okay.
And just to shake things up a little bit, I said, okay, I've got somebody with a 740 credit score. What is that rate? Well, it's considerably lower. 30-year, 2.625.
Wow.
And if you buy down the discount point, 2.375.
Wow, that is really good.
That is a really good interest rate. And then a 15-year, 2.50, and you can buy down 0.699 of a point, it would be 2.25.
Wow.
That is really low.
That is really good, yeah.
Interesting. I might continue to do it this way, or maybe we'll look at it both ways. And yeah, we'll do that before I do inventory. Go ahead.
Okay. So we've been talking to you guys a little bit about Northpointe and what is going on up there. There is a grand opening coming this week.
Yeah, a week later than originally planned.
Yeah, a week later than original. So it is Pulte Homes. It'll be this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6. So definitely let us know if you're going to go up, and we can help you out. We are leaving Saturday, but we'll make time. So again, Pulte Homes, to remind you, they have floor plans starting at 1841 square feet on up to 2569 square feet. Anywhere from 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 baths, starting at the mid 400s.
Wow.
So yeah. Yep. That's all I have. Oh, they're doing a giveaway. Tour the 4 model homes they'll have available to go through. And you're entered to win a raffle prize. Custom bike, tote bags filled with goodies. Good stuff. And I actually
Probably some gift
drove up
cards
there,
and that kind of
probably,
thing,
yeah.
Probably, yeah.
I actually drove up there. You can definitely go over the bridge into North Vistancia, Northpointe, and it's coming along. It's coming along. So
How's the
it was really
clubhouse? How far along would you say
nice. I
percentage-wise
would probably
they
say it's
are?
about 80%.
Really?
Yeah.
That far? Oh, they'll
Seems
be
like
putting
it.
landscaping
It sits
in
up
and-
kind of high on the hill, so it's hard to see. I think you have to drive in around the side, and I didn't go all the way down and around, but
Okay,
Yeah.
interesting, coming along.
it's really nice up there for sure.
And then the other two builders that will be up there?
David Weekly has actually already started getting a interest list together.
Okay,
And then the end of the month, May 30th, is when they'll start taking appointments to come in and talk to them. So
and it's by appointment only?
it's by appointment only.
Okay, so get in contact with us if you're
Again,
interested
yeah,
in
let us
doing
know. We will get you in contact. And then Richmond American is the other one, and I haven't heard dates on them yet.
that. Okay, well, we'll
So,
keep watching and we'll keep you up to date
Yeah.
on that.
Definitely.
Thank you. Okay, finally, we'll do inventory real quick. Valley-wide, we got over 5,000 last week, but it's tumbled back down. Valley, 4,639. Peoria, 115. Surprise,
Wow.
118. They're neck
Still
and neck,
neck and neck, and they're still
creeping down
dropping,
to
yeah.
100. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is sad. Trilogy at Vistancia only has 2 homes
Two
available.
homes.
509,900 and 564,900. That's a Nice model, 1925 square feet, and there is an Acredo model. Do you remember the square footage on an Acredo? I think
it's 2,600. Isn't it?
roughly 2,600, I think.
26,
Yeah,
2641, something
somewhere
like
in
that.
there. So. Vistancia Village, they actually got up pretty good, but they have tumbled back down. They have 7 available now in the village. 385,000 being the most affordable, 639,000 the most expensive. Portobello has 2 homes.
2 homes.
It's usually what they have. 450,000 is one of them, and 499,900 is the most expensive.
Wow.
Blackstone Country Club has 3.
Okay.
529,000. That's one of those townhomes.
Oh, is it?
Over $500,000.
Wow.
One of the townhomes, yeah.
Those are nice. They are really
Yeah.
nice.
And then 1,200,000 for the most expensive home in Blackstone Country Club.
Okay.
Sun City Grand. Oh, this is a pathetic number. 13 homes.
13 homes.
They have 9,800 homes over there. They have 13 for
Almost
sale.
10,000 homes and only 13 available.
13, yeah. They do still have the one condo, 164,900. That's a
okay.
1-bedroom, 1 bath. Most expensive home in Sun City Grand, $975,000.
Okay.
And finally, Sun City West, they have 30 homes available. 204,900 being the most affordable and 639,000 being the most expensive.
Seems like that number's dropped too. Sun City
Oh, yeah.
West.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not very many homes for, it's basically, it is a city. Sun City West is a city
Yeah, it's
of
its
its
own city.
own.
Mhm.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. You get the benefits of Sun City.
No, they have their own.
Oh, I thought you paid both of the.
No, Sun City West, they have the same number of communities. They both have 7 centers, 7 golf courses,
Okay.
but they're separate.
Okay.
But they're parallel. You are correct as in regard to how much they pay
Okay.
or charge for the yearly center's fee, just under $500.
Okay. Okay.
They are similar in that, but they are separate facilities,
They are
and
separate.
separate communities.
Alright.
So.
Really nice facilities, that's for sure.
Oh yeah, they keep them up really nice. Yeah.
So.
Okay, that is our report for this week. Everybody have a fantastic weekend.
We will see you the week after next.
Right, we're going to skip a week and
Cancun is calling.
that's right, and we will tell you all about it when we get back.
Yep.
All right, everybody have a blessed week. Take care.
Bye.
Bye. Just want to make sure you don't kick the cat's bowl when you come.
I won't kick the cat's bowl, don't worry.
Okay.
I know it's there.
Slide on in here, gorgeous. You know what? I should whisk you off your feet and take you to Mexico.
You should.
Any particular destination?
Saturday, Cancun.
Done.
Let's
Saturday. Let's do it. It's a date.
It's a date. 7 days.
7 days. Can't wait.
Cancun. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, you ready to get started?
I'm ready to get started.
Episode
I think I know what it is. Is it 32?
33.
It's 33?
I don't know. Let me go look.
Oh man.
Wait.
Epic fail.